you're watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Smurfette. Now before I get into the supplies, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. A few supplies we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. We're only going to need two different colors today. You'll need a yellow and last but not least, a blue. Well, I think we'll do really great in this drawing. Let's go try to draw Smurfette. Let's see what we can come up with.
Okay, so for the first step in making Smurfette, we're going to begin by making her hat. Once we finish making Smurfette's hat, we're going to make a couple squiggle lines. We're going to make one coming down, and then we're going to make one going off to the right. Now we're going to connect those squiggle lines that we just made with a backward C-like shape. Awesome, now underneath the shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make Smurfette's dress. Once we finish making the dress, we're going to make one arm on each side, but we're going to begin with the left arm. Once we finish the left arm, we're going to hop over to the right side. Now we're going to begin to make Smurfette's feet. Now we're going to move up top by the head and we're going to begin to make the hair. Now we're going to add lines inside of Smurfette's hair. Let's move a little bit lower down. We're going to begin to add a little bit of detail to Smurfette's face. Let's make our Smurfette look happy. Let's give our Smurfette a big U-like shaped smile. This is How to Draw Smurfette. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your Smurfette with us.